Hello people, today Jake, the mythical fan, will be showing you soap cutting satisfying people, or soap cutting satisfaction, or however you want to call it. Now, you won't be seeing my face today because the focus will be down here. And if you like to, you can subscribe if you want to, and like this video, comment if you want to, and let's just get started. Now, let's say the soap is right here. It's like I'm doing the blind soap cutting challenge. Oh, don't look at the soap because it's not a sponsor. Alright, here we go. How is it done? For you. Let's just wait, you guys see it. Hope I don't cut myself. Is this even the right way? Oh yeah. Boy, this is a challenge and so hard. You know what? New rule. No grunting while doing this. Let me bring closer to you. Ah, there you are. Shredding soap, cutting soap like it's never been done before. Doing this is just fun, how it should be done. Ah, there it is, there it is, here we go. I just had it. Don't look at the cover. It's not a sponsor. It's so hard. It's just a challenge. Ugh. I'm cheating. I'm cheating on this one. Oh, oh. Very soapy, very soapy. Here we go, cutting soap. Now I'm using a plastic knife because I can't use real knives because I cut myself right here. I cut myself open. Yeah, that happened. I feel just like going from Good Mythical Morning. No, scratch that. I don't. I'm brave. I'm confident. May is confident. Using my sentences in the third person. No way, that's not how Jake does it. Let me bring it to you. Whew, so much work. Must have been easier for... You know, it's not easy doing soap cutting. Oh my gosh, sorry for stopping. Worry about you guys. I'm not concerned about you guys at all. I'm just happy to be here. Oh gosh, this is my first video with you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about this. Here we go. No more talking. Let's just stop here for the day and look at this art. And soap off. Here we go. We're going with the soap. Anyone like to eat it? I'm being exposed. Sorry, people. Here it is. Here it is now. Look at that. It looks like the bowl macaronis. Anyone like some taste test? Oh, terrible. I'm gonna wash my hands now, and I hope I don't come out with mouth bubbles. Oh, I guess I'll see you later. Oh boy, this was a fail. Sorry, everyone. I hope I satisfied you guys enough. Sorry.